Hi, so for today, I will be talking to you guys about my fifth grade geometry and measurement game. I will be focusing on finding the volume of a rectangular prism. So the purpose of this game is not only to help students find the volume, which is length times width times height, but it also helps the students see where all of these things are by measuring it themselves. This provides that concrete visual the students will benefit from by being able to hold a rectangular prism and feel the length, the width, and the height, as well as them understanding volume and strengthening their multiplication skills. So the materials that you will need for this activity are just different things that can be found at home that are rectangular prism. For example, I have an iPhone case. I also have a case holder, which is also rectangular prism. I have a DVD movie, which is also a rectangular prism. I have a packet of tea bags, which is also a rectangular prism. And lastly, I have a cardboard box, which is also a rectangular prism. Now, these are all different sizes, different random rectangular prisms that the students will be able to measure themselves to find the length, width, and the height, and eventually find the volume. So the students will also be using a whiteboard and markers to do the math, or you can also have them use a sheet of paper and a marker or a pencil, anything really that you can use. This part you can kind of tweak and do to your whatever you have available for yourself. So I wanted this game to feel a little bit more free for them, so I didn't really want to have like a specific worksheet, but I just wanted the students to explore with the materials and measuring and all that stuff. So for example, say I get this rectangular prism, I will be able to use my ruler to measure the length, width, and the height. So according to the ruler, the length is about 6 inches. I'm going to use 6 inches because it is closer. So the length, 6 inches. Oh, sorry. The width, I'll do the width for first. The width is 2 inches. And the height is 3 inches. So you will have them, they will write out their length, width, and their height, and then they will be able to multiply it. So 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. So the volume of this rectangular prism is 36 inches squared. And if they want to, they can take it a little step further and they can also draw the rectangular prism on the paper. And this way, they are able to label their parts on the paper as well, not just on a visual. So they can measure the length is 6 inches here. The height would be 3 inches. And lastly, the width would be 2 inches. And this way, the students, as I mentioned, are able to see it on the paper themselves, which this will then benefit them when they see it on exams, on tests, on worksheets, since they won't be able to have like a rectangular prism visually. But yeah, this is my activity, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.